Okay, here we have a twin pack Google Wi-Fi set from Maplin, sent via MyHermes. Currently about £239, I think. Okay, comes like this. Okay, let me get cellophane off. Well, I absolutely couldn't find out how to get in. No one has unboxed one of these before and it's just totally stiff, so having to use one of these, Stanley knife or box cutter. Wow, that was hard work. There we are, pretty plain inside. A little bit of a cushion thing here. There's one. Got your two Ethernet ports. USB power. Exactly the same on the other one. And underneath here, instructions, warranty. Inside here we've got power for one. Hopefully in the other, got power for the other. Yep, and our Ethernet. And there we are. Everything there.